In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Mbox future while talking about the Mobox cost conjecture for 2023 and then some, which truly is very huge. Kindly especially remember that you ought to basically believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything most certainly is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Mobox in a significant manner. Presently, we should head into it in a sort of large manner, before we dig sort of profound into the Mobox value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Mbox fundamentally is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Mbox basically succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Mobox value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what Mbox is and its to-date history, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Mbox value expectation for the following 10 days in a truly significant manner. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a really complete breakdown. Bitcoin explicitly has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs. When generally add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will explicitly be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors amazingly. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe for the most part play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees a sum in every way that really matters. Green in 2023, particularly in the genuinely second piece of the year, which certainly is genuinely huge. This in a real sense is reflected in our 2023 forecasts, or so they essentially thought. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and for the most part alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We in a real sense have seen this situation many times in the far off and kind of later history. Our cost expectation model generally is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and for the most part other greater players in the market to essentially wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each venture in a significant manner. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few truly other by and large restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023 0210 plus 1.34% $0 6056 2023 0211 plus 5.97% $0 6332 2023 0212 plus 0.92% $0 6031 2023 0213 plus 5.86% $0 6326 2023 0214 plus 2.52% $0 6126 2023 0215 plus 0.10% $0 5982 2023 0216 plus 1.16% $0 6045 2023 0217 4.97% $0 5678 2023 0218 3.86% $0 5745 2023 0219 5.73% $0 5633 2023 02 202.47% 58 cents Mobox value forecast 2023 high expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance truly considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, which is very critical. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with sort of enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 generally isn't looking excessively very great for the bulls, which truly is very huge. We will likely see a ton of especially exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to basically slip, all things considered, lower with each and every way that really matters. Minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the in every way that really matters. Last a long time of 2022 and 2023 blemish, or so they especially thought. 21.18% $0 4710 2023 APRA. 35.90% $0 3831 2023 May, or so they essentially thought. 21.99% 46 cents. Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. 2023 Jun, which is very huge, 16.88% $0 $4967-2023 JOL, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. 13.59% $0 5164-2023 OG, or so they truly thought. 4.66% $0 5697-2023 SEP. 4.72% $0 5693-2023 OP. Plus 7.53% $0 6425-2023 NOV, which is genuinely critical. Plus 4.36% $0 6236-2023 DEC, which generally is genuinely critical. Plus 13.21% $0 6765-2024 JAN. Plus 19.12% $0 7118-2024 FEB. Plus 24.80% 74 cents Mbox value expectation 2025, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our forecast model sees Mbox coming to $1.23 in 2025, which basically is very critical. What will Mbox be somewhat worth in 5 years in an unpretentious way? The cost of Mbox in 5 years could especially lie around $1.14. Mobox value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Mobox will be especially worth in 2030. Our Guojing model sees Mobox coming to $3.08 in 2030 in an essentially large manner. What Mobox will especially be worth in 2040, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our estimating model sees Mobox coming to $6.15 in 2040 in a fundamentally significant manner. Will Mobox supplant, sort of outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Mobox won't supplant or sort of surpass BTC. Might Mobox at any point reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Mobox to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Might Mobox at any point reach $1,000 in a very significant manner? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Mobox to generally reach $1,000 in every way that really matters, short or mid-term period. Or so they thought. Is Mobox really worth purchasing, which is genuinely critical? We are supporters of tolerably unsafe money management. Contribute the majority of actually your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a container of huge cap coins and the rest in little ventures with enormous potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, Mobox especially merits purchasing, which is very huge. Is Mobox in every way that really matters? Why speculation? Mobox is, very much like all really other digital currencies, an unsafe interest incredibly. It really does have commonly higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, kind of dynamic local area and an especially strong group behind it in an unobtrusive manner. What amount will Mobox for the most part be worth? For the most part transient future, it could reach 36 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $3.08 or considerably higher, or so they in a real sense thought. For what reason will Mobox generally succeed and explicitly get more expensive, which is genuinely critical? Mobox has a fundamentally decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area